When you imagine dinosaurs, you probably picture gigantic gray-green creatures that are constantly roaring. But the real picture is much more interesting. Dinosaurs weren't just big. They were colorful, fast, social, and surprisingly diverse. Now, in a smooth 3-minute flow, here are 14 quick dinosaur facts. First, T-Rex had small arms, but they weren't weak. Short doesn't mean useless. The muscle attachment marks on the bones suggest a powerful build. Some estimates say each arm could lift around 90 kilograms. Second, some dinosaurs had feathers. The evidence is especially strong in smaller species like Velociraptor. And that leads to the third fact. Dinosaurs didn't completely disappear, because modern birds are direct descendants of dinosaurs. So an eagle, technically, is a living dinosaur. Fourth, the biggest dinosaurs were truly gigantic. Titanosaurs like Argentinosaurus may have reached close to 35 meters in length and weighed around 100 tons. Fifth, their colors may have been more vivid than we once thought. Pigment structures found in fossils suggest some species could have had red, blue, or patterned appearances. Sixth, they ruled for an incredibly long time. Dinosaurs were dominant on Earth for about 165 million years, far longer than humans have existed. Seventh, the first fossil discovery is very old. In 1676, a Megalosaurus bone was found, but at the time, nobody understood what it truly was. Eighth, they didn't live only in the Jurassic. We're talking about an entire era spanning 3 periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Ninth, some dinosaurs were unbelievably fast runners. Ostrich-like species, similar to Ornithomimus, may have reached around 64 kilometers per hour. 10th, some adapted to life in water. Spinosaurus likely lived a semi-aquatic lifestyle and may have hunted in rivers like modern crocodiles. 11th, the smallest dinosaurs were about the size of a bird. Species like Microraptor were roughly 40 to 60 centimeters long, feathered, and likely able to climb trees. 12th, all dinosaurs laid eggs. So far, there's no solid evidence for live birth. 13th, Triceratops' horns may not have been only for fighting. Some studies suggest they also evolved for display, competition, and mating advantage. And 14th, some dinosaurs were social. Trackways and mass fossil sites suggest certain herbivores lived in herds and protected their young. So here's the question. Which one surprised you the most? The fact that birds are living dinosaurs? The idea that dinosaurs could be colorful? Or the thought of a river-hunting Spinosaurus?